Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, today let's see how I made this beautiful pearl bangles. So let's get started. Firstly, you need few bangles over here. Now let's wrap the gold colored silk thread for about 40 to 50 times. Glue the ends now. Take your bangle and glue one end of the thread to it and start wrapping. This is how it looks. Now take a pearl chain. Apply some glue all over the bangle and place the pearl chain over it. Let it dry for some time. Now take around 5 to 7 silk thread strands. Glue the end to the bangle and start wrapping around the gaps between the pearl chain. I used the same colored pearl chain, and if you want you can try different colors, so just play with it. Here you can take a closer look. This helps you to make your bangle sturdy and the pearl chain wouldn't come off. And that's it, you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, sure give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting, bye bye.